most of you take advantage of. What am I talking about here? I'm talking about reshots, okay? So whenever, say Luca here, what he needs to do is change level, okay? And then clear my arms and get to my legs for a successful double leg, to hit a double leg on me, okay? Most of these shots that we take on each other is countered anyway, okay? And we know that, we expect some kind of a counter, but we need to condition ourselves to actually make him pay for the attempt of him taking me down with a double leg takedown, with a reshot, okay? So when Luca changes level, I change level with him and he goes for a shot, I can put my hands on the shoulders and just kind of hold him at bay, keeping my legs back, not sprawling back entirely, but just keeping his hands away from my legs enough so that he can't set up the double leg takedown. When he realizes that there's no takedown here, what's he gonna do? He's gonna posture up and back up. You see there, I've shut his takedown down, which is fantastic, but there's a window of opportunity for you to reshot, hit him with the same takedown, right when he exits, backs up from the takedown itself, okay? So the timing here, once again, is when he changes level, I change level with him, okay? Comes in for a shot here, I sprawl back. Now, when I see him backing up, now I step in and hit a reshot here. All right? I'm not saying it's impossible, but it won't be as easy to set someone up from here and change level here and come in and he's going to sprawl on me. You know, all this kind of stuff here that can go wrong. So once again, he hits me with a double leg. I'm changing level with him here, just like so. When he starts backing up, I come in and hit him with a double leg of my own. That making sense? Let's see this one more time. So we're here, Luca takes a shot at me, hands go on the shoulder. I block him with my head positioning too, not just my hands here and keeping my head positioning up, no. My hands are on the shoulder, yes, and my forehead is on his shoulder too. Block him with my head positioning too, like so. So I'm not sprawling entirely here, going into a front headlock, like so. I want my legs to be relatively close to him for the reshot, okay? So here, block, coming in, I'm here. When he starts backing up, I come in and hit him with a double leg takedown of my own here, like so. Make sense? Let's go.